Hi, Lily.
Hi, Angel.
Hi, Emmeline. Hey, Peter. So what are you in here for? I told Weber that Yoda's better than Vader. What about you? I stole Mr. Walsh's lunch. Oh.
So how did you get detention?
I put a tack on Cockroach chair. What about you?
I made fun of Mr. Chrissy's bald head.
Teacher, what are we supposed to do? We're bored.
Go clean out the boxes in the other room.
Hey, what's this? Look what I found. RMR, what does that mean?
Let's go check what's on it.
Let's see what's on this SD card.
Okay.
Rebelman. Rebelman. Rebelman.
This is stupid. No way saying Rebelman means anything. That wasn't me.
Anyways. Wait, hold on. Guys, what in the freak is that? What was that? Literally nothing was there and you guys are all schizo. Grow up.
Here we are, and perfect. Oh my gosh, what was that? Do it again.
Mr. Travis, I know that working with teenagers can be scary, but it's not that scary.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm back. I'm back.
Hey guys, meet me in the hall real quick.
Guys, you heard that too?
Yeah, who was that?
I think I have an idea who that was.
It's exactly who you think it is. Okay, which one of you said Rebelman 3 times? Better question, which one of you watched the Rebelman movie? Which one of you said Rebelman 3 times?
Well, we watched it on this tape.
Where did you guys find this?
Indo.
Back in the day, the old Rebel Man was thrown out, replaced by the new Rebel Man. But my group and I accidentally summoned him back down to school. We thought he was gone, but he's back.
Anyways, don't ever touch this again, and just get back to class and get back to your work, now. Now, it's going to be talking about the...
Don't turn around. Don't turn around. Don't turn around.
I saw the Rebel Man. Guys, I just saw a line under the door. I think that's him over there. Come on, guys, come on!
Guys, what is this place?
This is the old studio. where it all happened. This was where we unmasked Mr. Pruitt to be the Rebelman, but the Rebelman was actually found back here in the back corner after we had already unmasked him. Okay, let's use brilliant under this.
Wait, where did he go?
I don't know.
Guys, what's in the jacket?
It says, I'll be back.